neglecting YouTube?
You're neglecting YouTube too.
I am not.
I have posted videos since last year.
Well, I haven't posted some in a while, but I posted some, on,
So I was thinking what song we could do next, and I'm not quite sure yet.
Water!
Oh, that would be a good idea.
Water!
Maybe we'll do a Portal song next.
If you have to sign up
I don't know why she's talking
to
like that.
download it, and I don't understand why. I don't understand.
Put tax in our ears.
Yes, I put tax in my ear because I am crazy. Look, it says you have to sign in to download. I'm doing it right now. You can calm down. My display name
I think she's had too much Fun Dip.
will be Fun Dip Queen.
You're never gonna remember that. And then she's gonna come back to me in like a week and be like, I forgot my mixer name.
Fun Dip Queen.
So we think this might be our new environment for making videos, because we have karaoke in here.
2831 is the confirmation code. Yay! 28.
There's a karaoke over there, so we might just use that instead. You guys will be looking like that. I don't know, what do you want to do?
Fun Dip Queen. No! I don't want to cancel. Can we please have some candy?
I'll go get some candy. I got us some candy. Mine's root beer.
Funny, I'm like, shut up now. Happy moose, sad moose, messy retarded moose, super moose, rounded moose, little fat mama moose, chicken. Happy super sad, super messy retarded, super is drama camel, big fat mama camel. Bunny. Happy bunny, sad bunny, messy retarded bunny, super bunny, drama.
Would you care to give us your retired speech?
There are a lot of polygons in this world. But you are the only one for me. You are the Pythagorean theorem to my triangle. Without you, my square would have no area. And my cube would have no volume. We are congruent in every way.
Doesn't want my face. I'm trying to get the foot in action.
Welcome to the Lauren Show. This will be our last show ever.